Do got 20% off the back wall. We're back to finding J's. Back to finding J's for a discount. This is my size, but dang, dude, I already got him. Dang it. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back in Torrance. Of course, I got Nike outlet. Let's go. Holy crap, my memory is so bad. I was trying to figure out last time I came here and how often I've been coming here and how people don't really pay attention to pedestrians. But yeah, man, I don't remember. Let's go see what they got though. Pretty packed here. Pretty packed because this place is always empty. All right, they got 20% off the back wall. Okay, 20% off the back wall, 11 and a half. I'm thinking at 20% off, would it be worth it? Because normally at 30% off, I'd say hell yeah, but 20% off, that means it'd only be like $40 off. It is $220 though. $220? These are premium? Holy cow. Definitely chances to buy. Definitely chance to buy at a discount. Findin J's here. Dang, I paid retail for these. Be able to get these for a discount, that would be freaking fire, man. No, I'm mad that I got these for retail. That is how things used to be back in the day, and kind of getting back to that. Because, man, I'm all about buying stuff like this for a discount. I don't care if I have the box or not. It is all good. 20% off. Dang, where's that 30% off, doggies? Where is that? I think I still have 2 pairs too. Dang it. Do got 20% off the back wall. We're back to finding J's. For a discount. This is my size, but dang, dude, I already got him. Being nosy, they're finding black toes here. That is fire. Buck 40. I think is that grade school? Yeah, that's grade school. 7Y. That is fire. Being able to get those for 20 off. Jordan 1 lows here. These are not the OGs. These are just some regulars. There are differences. Maybe I should do a video on differences between the OGs and the regulars. But yeah, I do got these bad boys right here. These are 110 as opposed to 140. So, okay. These are size 8, 8.5. Hydro's going for 45 right there. Those are the Hydro 6s. LeBron 20's going for way too much still. 2 bills. Yeah, these as well. We've been seeing them on sale even at the retail shop. Got these right here. Yeah, man. Damn, dude, too expensive. These on sale. Okay, $180 for these. A lot of the stuff we've been finding them cheaper at the retail shops, right? I was like, what Tiffany colorway? Yeah, not really. Victory Tour 2s right there. What was the price? I didn't even see the price. $190 for those. Jordan 37s. $150 for those. Remember, you did get 20% off the back wall, but a lot of deals still not worth it. I'm not gonna lie. Trainer 1s, retail. 8 much in the smaller sizes. Some Manoa leather size 8. $105 for those. Oh, more Jordan 1 low OGs. This is a size 8 right here to be able to get this for 20% off. Pretty fire. If that's your size. Man, we starting to see a lot of retro. That's what's up. All white. Oh, yeah, wow, look. Air Max 90s, about 37.5. Air Max 95s. Kind of remind me of the neons, but not really. $140. That is a 6.5 men's though. Someone just put these back. Oh, these are the 11.5s earlier. They just moved it from over there to over here. Do got to these bad boys right here. Jordan 1 high golf right here. Go for $170. So $10 off to get that extra discount too. We are going to the bigger sizes because it's about that time, man. That's where these have been here for like 6 months. $60 still. The Be True Cortez. That's just not a good combo. The Cortez and the Be True. Not really the same population. Just typically, I'm just saying, like numbers wise. But yeah, Jordan 11 Comfort Lows go for $100. Monarch 4s go for $60. That 10% really makes a big difference. 20 versus 30. Yeah, do you got some Comforts? These are Comfort 2s. Jordan 1 Comfort 2s. Yeah, that's just getting too long. Does have zoom air on it. Yeah, go for $150. Everything going up. 11.5 got Terminators. Go for what? $120. Not 0.6. Go for $1.10. Got a ton of these, bigger sizes. Got some Comfort 11 just sitting on the ground right there, fell off. Let's go for 100. So 11.5. Jordan 1 low size 13, $1.30. Okay, so the gray ones with the peach and what the hell color that is? Peach and a pinkish colorway. What is that? Sundial Magic Ember. What the hell? That's just too much. But yeah, $1.20 for those. Be able to get them at discount pretty decent. And what are these Jordan 1? Oh, these are the news. They got me. $105 for those. They got me. More of these in a size 14. Jumpman 2021s. Retail. Really surprised at some of the deals for was it Labor Day weekend? $2.50 for these. Or I guess lack of deals, that would be more apropos. $1.10 for these size 14s. Bigger sizes, not seeing much. Worn the same thing for the last few videos. Jordan 1 lows. It is raining outside, or it was raining this morning when I left the house. Jordan 1 lows. This is just a regular one. Women's, I think I got it for like $40. Then wearing a St. Patty's Day 49ers t-shirt. I don't know why. I just haven't worn it ever, so I was like, I should wear it. I don't know why I didn't wear it during St. Patty's Day this year. Probably didn't wear it for St. Patty's Day because I didn't go out and get hammered. That's probably why. All right, let's look at the aisles, see what's going on here. We have been seeing a ton of Team Jordans, a bunch of the non-signatures, been seeing a ton of those, and that's gonna be the same with this trip. Not gonna go each and every one of those because we've seen plenty of those. Do got Jordan 12 low golf right here, but then other Jordans, other teams Jordans just sprinkled in here and there. And then seeing Witness 6s going for hella cheap because we've been seeing Witness 7s at the outlets lately. Probably the 8s are probably gonna come out soon as well. And I think this is the last line of the Soldiers, right? Because he's getting rid of these as of this year, apparently. The Soldier sales have been super stale, so I don't blame them. Immortality 2s. They're Giannis's budget line. Wait, I didn't even notice they do have the Jordan 36 lows. This is the one that came out, what, 2 years ago? Okay. Got some Air Max Terra Escapes. Hirachis going down and down and down in price. Air Force One mids. Another one right there. Extra orange. Extra wheat. Black with the gum bottoms. 270s. A little bit of white. And a little more white. I think we saw the exact same trio at orange. Alley-oops right here. You guys like Nike SB. But fools just like the Nike SB Dunks, right? Air Flight 89s. Cosmic Unity. This is a Team Bank colorway. This doesn't seem like a Team Bank. Got one of the more common colorways right here. Air Max 2017s. In these pretty much at every outlet. So many different colorways too. Got some Air Max 1s right here. The corduroy one. These are pretty fire. And some Air Max 90s. Then we got some Air Max 90s all black right here. It does have some nubuck on it. A little bit more white on this one. All white, but this one does have that suede leather on the bottom. We got an all white one with all buck leather and then some nylon up top. Metcon 8s, one with gum bottom on these. Both of these do have React on the back heel. Then running shoes, Pegasus price has been going down because these all started I think at 100. And I was like, oh hell no, y'all better not be paying 100 for these. So yeah, great to see them go down in price. Pegasus Trail 3s, another one right here. Some Gore-Tex ones and then another one right there. Checking out the women's clearance section. Look, do got men's pairs right here and they put them in the women's. That is pretty funny. But dope, seeing plenty of Jordans. $140. These are the OGs. These are size what? Size 6 women's, size 4.5 men's. Seeing blazers right here. See a couple people trying on dunks that I've never even seen before. Got Air Forces right here. I've never seen these. Air Force One Shadows. Oh, okay, there's the second. I was like, where's the second one? Oh, okay. Different materials and stuff like that. Terry cloth on the second swoosh. That is definitely interesting. Coming out some new stuff. Okay, $130 for these. Some dunks right here. Size 9 dunks right here. Material I haven't seen before. Oh, this is suede. I thought it was corduroy. Suede with some different texture on it, some lines and stuff. Okay, but that is suede leather. That is interesting. All right, $110 for those, size 9. Got Pegasus. Next Nature is $150. Air Max 90s right here. These are $100. These are canvas though. All kinds of dunks here. All kinds of sneakers in general. Look at these right here. These bad boys. These are women's. What are these? Women's 9.5, size 8 men's. Okay. These just came out, didn't they? Huh. Different texture. That is interesting. Okay. Dunk High 85s, $140 for these. These are size 8.5. They got Jordan 1 lows here in the huge sizes. Women's size 11, $110. These velvet looking ones right here. I think someone's getting these. But yeah, these are pretty cool. Those are pretty fire. Take a look at the women's aisles right here. Blazers for way too much. Retail on these canvas ones as well. These ones have a slight sale. MRX 2017s. All black right here. I was seeing if that's 3M. I'm pretty sure that is 3M right there. Got these as well. Air Force Ones. This one is interesting old leather. It's like a synthetic leather on top. That is interesting. What the heck is that? Platforms and shadows right here. Oh, never mind. That's just one Nike swoosh. So got Jordan 1 Comfort 2s right here. Second gen of the Comforts, $150. Metcon 2s. Like I said, free Metcon 4s. And they got Pegasus, kind of stuff, same stuff we've seen before. And some Infinity Refinance, $90, not the greatest prices. I swear for the last couple of months, or the last few months, we haven't seen any real deals in the clearance apparel. I don't foresee anything different, but we still gotta check. You just never know. Can find some random stuff. I swear those long pants or the sweats that we saw at freaking Shoe Palace looked the exact same. It had that same black right around the pockets right there. It had zippers. But yeah, that's funny. But oh, that wasn't Shoe Palace. That was Champs. That was Champ Sports Gear, CSG stuff right there. $115 for these right here. These color pants are on sale. Sweats, $35 for these. What guy's wearing those? I don't know if that's you, but I'm just saying, like, not too many guys are gonna want that stuff. I don't know what the hell is this. Super short shorts right here for the dudes. $36, $80 too. That's short. Nike baseball hoodie right here. $55 down to $55. Running shirt, size small. $85 down to $54. Dope shirt. We saw these on sale last couple weeks. I just wish this one had a little more on it. But yeah, $35 down to $25. UCLA jacket's pretty fire. This is an XL, but no discount. $95 down to $95. That's an XL. Yeah, clearance apparel, pretty mediocre. Remember Jordan shorts and stuff like that? They even have the red one that matches this, the shorts. Those are going for what? $20? Those are going for $20 at Shoe Palace. These are $46. Get it for 30% off if you want the matching sweats as well. Yeah, lately it's all been about this section right here. If you can find Jordans back here, find some retros, some dunks, find some fire stuff, excuse me. Pretty dope. Someone did take that Jordan 5. I did see someone try it on, so someone did take that. Those 7s still here, but people don't dig the 7s like that. But pretty dope to be able to find Jordans. I do go through the clearance section usually a second time real quick just to see if I missed anything. Definitely didn't miss anything today, but that's pretty much about it. I am gonna be opening up a membership, you guys. If you guys want to support the channel, I think it's only gonna be like $5 with all of the content that I provide for you guys, with all of the education, with all of the information, all of the entertainment. I think I don't think it's too much to ask. If you guys want to chip in $5, if you guys want to support the channel, go ahead and join the membership, you guys. There's going to be some perks and stuff. I don't want to talk about it too much though, because I want it to be because you guys want to support the channel. I don't want it to be because you guys want this, you know, but I always try to provide value. I always try to make sure it's worth it. But yeah, if you guys want to support the channel, $5 a month, make sure you guys press that join button on the bottom. You know, like I said, I think I earn your guys' support pretty much more than any other YouTuber. I think I try to look out for you guys as much as I can, try to provide information. So if you guys want to support, make sure you guys go ahead, press that join button. If not the end of the world. You guys still more than welcome to watch as many videos as possible. I do throw out tons and tons of videos. Make sure you help a boy out though. Make sure you press that like button, at least it's free. Press that like button if you're new, subscribe. Make sure you guys stay tuned because I got plenty of videos coming. Gonna hit up a few more spots today, probably tomorrow. Big weekend. Didn't see like the crazy sales I thought I would, especially at the Nike outlet, but y'all will see that tomorrow because I did stop by Orange and we looked at the deals, but gonna stop by more spots, gonna go tomorrow, gonna go Monday. We'll get you plenty of content, you guys. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.